Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Embroker to purchase commercial insurance faster step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Embroker website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by following the prompts. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Select the option for purchasing commercial insurance. Click on the type of insurance that's relevant to your business. Fill out the initial questionnaire to gather basic information. Provide details about your business structure and industry. Next, input specific information about the coverage you need. Be sure to include any relevant past insurance history. Upload any necessary documents that may be required. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Get Quotes button. Wait for the system to process your request for a moment. Once the quotes are generated, compare the options presented. Select the quote that best fits your business needs. Proceed to the Payments section to finalize your purchase. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Review the confirmation page to ensure all information is correct. You will receive an email confirmation of your policy shortly. Download or save the policy documents for your records. Now, you're ready to manage your new commercial insurance through Embroker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.